Hi, I'm Alex and I'm a fourth year student at U of T. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to show you how to use the university's interactive map to easily navigate U of T's 3 campuses. Whether you're new to campus or rediscovering everything it has to offer, this tool is here to help. Let's get started. While it's also available on desktop, today I'm going to show you how to use U of T's interactive map on your phone. First, head to map.utoronto.ca in your mobile browser and select your campus by navigating to the campus button on the bottom right of your screen. Let's try St. George first. By default, the map for each campus will show you the building layer. If you tap outside this menu, you'll see the map is filled with green markers. Each of these markers is a building on campus. Tap any of these markers to pull up its location card. Here's Hart House. These cards are super helpful. Each one tells you what's located in a building. For Hart House, there's an art museum, a theater, a gym, and way more. If you're looking for directions to a building, tap the arrow icon on the top left. It'll give you walking, cycling, transit, or driving routes. But there's so much more to this map than buildings. To discover more features, let's head back to the menu by tapping the navigation icon. You can toggle layers on or off by ticking the box next to each layer's name. Let's take a deeper look at other layers. Scrolling through this menu, there's information on everything from accessibility to libraries to student services, spaces, and much more. I'm hungry, so let's see what food options are available. By clicking into a layer, you can also filter it. If you're looking for restaurants that have gluten-free and vegan options, first click Clear, then find the relevant filters. Now that we've set our filters, click out of the menu to see what's available. Along with browsing the map, you can also use the search function at the top right of your screen to find a location. Let's try searching for the chemistry library. When you click on your search result, it will take you directly to its location on the map. That's it for now, but there's so much more to discover at U of T. Head to map.utoronto.ca or click the link in this video's description to explore everything U of T Mississauga, St. George, and Scarborough campuses have to offer. Thanks for watching.